OMG guys, this is so sparkly and it's so awesome. It's just very stretchy, very pretty. It's very pretty because I used glitter glue. And it is like the best one. It's so purple, it's just perfect. Wow guys, this is like so awesome. Look at it shine, it's like so glittery and so stretchy and so beautiful. It's like very awesome. Like I've never been so happy with the results. It is like so good. Very. Hey guys, I'm Sarah and today we're gonna be making slime. So here I have these Elmer's products, but you can go with any company you want. So right now I have water, this bowl, this spoon for measurement, this mixing object, which I'm using the spatula here, and this Elmer's magical liquid, and this Elmer's glitter glue. It is purple, as you can see. So we'll start by pouring 4 O's of glue into your bowl. Sorry. Yeah, so I am done with pouring the glue. Guys, it looks so beautiful. See? So like, now we're going to turn this into slime. Start by adding 2 O's of your Elmer's magical liquid or any activator. So now we'll start by activating our slime. And we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of this Elmer's magical liquid. We'll start by putting 2 tablespoons. This is very jelly-like. I didn't expect it to be like that. I thought it will be very watery. So here I have 1 tablespoon. And I'll start mixing my slime. Okay, so I'll start by mixing my slime. It's activating. It's activating, guys. It's activating a bit. Start getting jello-y. Gonna start mixing it up. So right now we'll be mixing the slime. I know it's very dirty. So let's start by activating. It's actually activating. It looks so good. Can't wait to need it. I think I'll need a bit more activator. So I'm gonna add a bit more. If you're happy with your slime when it starts activating before adding 2 tablespoons, that's fine. You can add as much as desired activator. So I'm starting to mix this and it's starting to activate. Super awesome. It looks so pretty. So now I'll be adding the water a bit to make it okay. I added only a bit of water for a start. Now it's it's still very sticky, so I'll have to add more activator. And now, still mixing. It's starting to activate. It's not really that tight, but will eventually be, hopefully. And it looks pretty beautiful. It looks very beautiful, guys. Look at this. It's starting to activate. I don't know, like, it looks pretty beautiful. It looks very beautiful, guys. Look at how pretty. It looks like some unicorn poop thing. So I'll keep on adding activate. So this is my result of my slime. I am very happy with it. I have never been so happy with the results of my slime. So this is the result. Super stretchy, super cute. bit sticky, but that's okay. So don't forget to subscribe, and please like and comment, and ring the notification bells too. Bye!